What is it, Quincy? Do you need help? Let me see. Oh, Marabella, she's beautiful. Let's see. Show Daddy. What is it? Look.
Oh, I like it. A ballerina.
Look at the ballerina doll.
Ballet.
She does ballet just like the Nutcracker. See?
And how Marabella does ballet.
She's pretty.
Hopefully better than Daddy's.
Marabella, look at me. Say thank you, Grandma Duarte.
Thank you. Okay.
Look at the camera. Say mwah, besitos.
Wow.
No, look at me. Say besitos.
He does.